everyone, it's Mandy Ross with Wynn's Foxy Nests, and I appreciate you joining me today. Welcome to the replay if you're watching this afterwards. But I'm going to come back on and I wanted to show you how to actually heat set these towels that I created. One's a Pampered Chef towel. Isn't that cute? A little Farmhouse. We use my mini transfers. So let me get set up real quick and let some people join. I'm going to share this over in my VIP group. And if you're not a member of that, I would welcome you to join. I think there's a button at the top of the page that you can join the VIP group, and that's just where I do, I'm able to give away sales and samples and do little things like that. So let me get this shared over in that group. How's your day going? Is it Monday? I don't know what day it is. I think it's Monday. Okay, go to my group. Okay, I got that over there. Okay, so let me get to my group and make sure there's no questions in there. So just give me a minute just to get things kind of set up where I can see things. So I will actually post, I did this project I think last Thursday, and so I will actually post in there in the comments my YouTube link to actually show you how I did the process of inking. But with Chalk Couture, if you're new, we have these great transfers. Let me do those. So these are the ones I used for the tea towel. And these great transfers that I actually use on tea towels, and I made these little coffee mugs out of them. These are dishwasher safe now because I heat set them in the oven. So I talk about that on another video. I think is also on my YouTube. So what's so great about the transfers are they are reusable, and these are our mini transfers. So this packet comes with 12 of these little guys. And they're silk screen, so and sticky. So I can use this up to 10 to 12 times. Most designers get way more use out of it than that, just as long as you take care of them. And you just wash them up. You can use the ink or use the paste, and the paste is actually removable. So the ink is stuff you want to be permanent is when you would use the ink. It has the silk screen, which is what gives you that clean and crisp look on it. And you can use it on any surface. You can use it on the fabrics. I mean, cute little t-shirts are being made right now. We just had a designer that did a full design for their family reunion and using our truck design. I wish I had it with me, but they had the truck design and they did the truck in a different, each family had a different color of the truck. So many unique ways to use our products. It can be used on wood, it can be used on our chalkboards, which this is one of our chalkboards, and I just I used the paste to put our little logo on for my advertisement. And once I get ready for a new design, I just simply wipe this off and I can put a new design on. So our chalkboards are, you can reuse them. Our transfers, you can reuse them. Our paste is reusable or removable so that you can use it on different, you can use your project again. But our inks are permanent. And so today we're actually going to talk about how do you heat set it so that you can make it, put it in the washer with the rest of your clothes. Sorry, I'm just moving stuff out of the way so I can get closer. How do you heat set it so you can just wash it like normal? So we're hoping that you're going to be able to see I have my iron on. Nope. Let me plug that in. I've been using it off and on today, so I forgot just to plug it back in. So what I did simply was just take this tea towel, and this is a Pampered Chef one, and I was able to take the spinning transfer and put it on there and just ink it on. Okay. So I let it set for like 24 hours so it would be completely dry. And now I'm actually going to heat set it. And you can heat set it with a hand iron, or you can heat set it with, so I'm going to do these together. You can heat set it with Cricut Easy Express still. I don't have one, obviously, but you can do that as well. So with a hand iron, basically what you would do is take some parchment paper, okay? So I'm just going to use some parchment paper and put it over your design, okay? Let me show you how. There we go. There we go. So you're just going to put it over your design, and now it's hot. And you're just going to go circle it around. I probably don't need the steam on. Take the steam off. Circle around on your project, your fabric, whatever that be. That could be a pillowcase, that could be a t-shirt, that could be your tea towels. But you want to keep moving it, because if you let it just set, then you run the risk of burning your project, burning your material, or turning it yellow. So just keep moving it around for 4 minutes, okay? And letting that heat set. So once we do this, I can actually put it in the my washer with the rest of my clothes, and you're never going to know the difference that you didn't buy it at the store. So these are actually gifts that I'm making to go with the mugs that I created. So the mugs actually heat set in the oven, and then I also have instructions on that in my my VIP group or on YouTube. And then let's see what else. Okay, so once this is done for 4 minutes, I'll turn it over and do it again for 4 minutes on the back side. And then we can wash this. So the complete instructions, I think I've skipped around a little bit. Ink your project. Ink your, let me get this up again. Ink your full project and let it dry for 24 hours, okay? And then for the fabric, you're gonna, after it dries for 24 hours, take the parchment paper and put over the design and just circle it around, for 4 minutes on the front, turn over and do 4 minutes on the back, okay? If you have an Cricut Easy Press machine, basically what you would do is, it's 310 degrees, and then you would put it on the design for 30 seconds, okay? So heat up your machine to 310, put it on your design for 30 seconds. If it's a large design, you'll have to, you want to do each section of it for 30 seconds. So move around your Cricut machine till you get all of it for 30 seconds. And then turn it over and do the back the same way. Okay, so let's see. I did get some questions after my live the other day. I wanted to make sure I answered them. I think the biggest thing was knowing the difference between inking and the chalk paste, okay? So the chalk paste is what we use on the chalkboards, and like here, and that's what makes it, how I can remove it with some water, okay? So it will stay on there until I'm ready to remove it. The inking is what you want to use when it's actually, when you want it permanent. So let me show you these, and you'll know that's the chalk paste. So this is the removable, and this is the ink, and this is, you have to heat set it to make it permanent, okay? But there's two different ways to use our products. Okay, the other thing was, does it hurt will the ink hurt the transfer? The ink is made for the transfer, so it won't hurt it, and you wash it off the same way you do the paste, okay? You just put it in some water and wash it off, and it comes off, it comes off probably easier than the paste does. Still very easy though. we have, on the ink, we have way more colors than this. I don't know how many exactly, but there's a very good variety of ink colors that you can use to actually make a unique design for your, for your house or home or gift, or you can resell a product. So if I actually wanted to take these and sell them online, like in my Etsy shop, or if I wanted to, run a craft show, rent a booth at a craft show, I could do that. Or if I wanted to rent a booth at a local, antique dealership, I could sell these there as well. Let's see, what else was asked? I am running two bundle specials in my VIP group, and today's the last day to order them. So I will repost those so you know where to get them. One was with a full deal, a full sheet of transfers for the Farmhouse, and then a full 3-ounce jar of ink. So if you want to see that, you need to be in the VIP group. I can't remember what the other one was, but it was pretty good. People are liking it. Obviously Valentine's Day is coming sooner than later. So I'm trying to work up some more samples, kits that I can give you guys. I'm also wanting to do a workshop. So if you guys are actually interested in doing like a Valentine's workshop where you would, come over to my home, or we could have it at your house if you want to, invite some people. Up to you, but we could come over and, 30 minutes, you can have a handmade Valentine's sign. I'm thinking like it's going to be either, our chalkboards. Do one for our chalkboards, or one that we just use the transfers and the paste, and then we get the product somewhere else. So I'm still trying to workshop that idea up and let you guys have some options. If you are not local, I'm in Northwest Arkansas right now. If you're not local and you want to have a party, we can do just a virtual Facebook party where everyone just gets on Facebook, learns about the product, sees some of the products that are already made, and then they can order off my website. Or we can have, host a workshop in your home, or a team, if you have a team building, a monthly team building or whatever. These are great ideas for some team building. Okay. So has it been about 4 minutes? Let's see how long have I been on here. Yeah, I think we've done 4 minutes. Okay, so I would simply, I've probably been talking more than realizing how much this has actually been done. Now we're going to do another 4 minutes. Let's see. What are some of the other questions that I've been getting? You guys, there's 4 different ways that you guys can participate in ordering. So one is just shopping. Just go into my link and shop. No commitment. You just get what you want and have fun. The second way is I do, again, in my VIP group, if you're part of that, there's little a sample bundle that you can order anytime. Just go there. It's a mini bundle. It has a transfer. It comes with a transfer and some paste. Go check it out in my VIP. Let's see. Third way is to do the Club Couture, which is $20 a month, and each month you get a new transfer. It's exclusive transfer that only the Club Couture members get. And I think they go out about the 6th of every month. And I know if you're a Club Couture member already, I know they're having a special that if you spend $50 in December, you get $15 to spend in January. So if you haven't used that yet, you might just use my shopping link to get that special. The fourth way is to obviously become a designer. You can be a designer as a hobbyist. You can be a designer as a business. The hobbyist, you know, you don't require you to sell anything. You just kind of do it for your fun. And then even the sales, you girls, I mean, they're so lenient on, if you want to get motivated, they have the tools for that. If you want to just chill and take it at your own pace, everyone's good with that. There's not a high pressure sales type person on our team. I mean, they definitely have the tools and train you on the products and how to do what I'm doing with the lives and stuff. So if you're interested in that, just check out you know, my page, or just send me a message. Just kind of give me an idea of what you're kind of wanting to use the products for. Like I said, you can resell them in your shops if you already have shops, or if you want to do that and not sell the actual Chalk Couture products, you just want to sell your products. Perfect fit. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. Oh, the tea towels I bought on the Pampered Chef. I talked to my Pampered Chef lady, my Pampered Chef consultant, and she gave me a link. These are actually on sale for like $3 right now for a 2-pack. And then she's going to do like a $5 for shipping. So I'll put that in the comments so you guys can actually purchase the tea towels. I think they made the Farmhouse look even better. So let's see, am I good on time? Look at the time, sorry. I think I have just a few more seconds. So I'll put that link in the comments. Look for that so you can get the Farmhouse tea towels on sale. And just use her link. And I think it like at checkout, she has to take the discounts. Go ahead and check out, take the discount, and then if you have any questions, you can just Facebook her. And she's really good about getting back with you. Let's see, what else? I think that's it. I'm gonna fold these up so you can actually see what they look like. Let me iron this out. But isn't that cute? That's one of the Pampered Chef towels, and I think those lines just made it look pampered or more Farmhouse for your design. I want to know who is into the Farmhouse design. I love it, but I have to confess my house is more traditional. But the girl that I'm making these gifts for is a Farmhouse fanatic. She loves farmhouse. She likes anything to do with farmhouses and animals and stuff. So I'm hoping that she will like this. Okay. I'm just going to fold this and show you. And this one was just a plain one that I had already in the house. So I actually wanted to start on this one because I'd never inked before, and I was a little nervous about if I was going to be able to do it right. It was super simple. It worked out just fine. I have some tips that I'll post a link for that I've written out, but I've also put them. You should in my video I told you about some tips as well. So let me show you this one. Cuteness, so cute. Okay, look at those. Won't those be cute gifts along with my little mugs? Let me move this out of the way and show you the little Farmhouse mugs. So these are all handmade with our mini transfers and handmade gifts that I'm going to give to my Farmhouse fanatic friend, and she's going to love them. And so that's it. So thanks for joining me. If you have questions, just reach out to me. You can comment, or you can send me a direct message, and I will help any way I can. Thanks, guys. Bye.